'cause you're free child, now run away.
We are Clay. I'm Charlie, and I'm the drummer.
I'm Emily. I'm piano and vocals.
I'm Caitlin, I'm guitar.
I'm Ryan, I play bass and guitar occasionally when they let me.
These two girls wrote loads of songs when they were about 14 or 13, and then I joined, and Ryan joined shortly after because we needed someone to play on the ba-dum-bum-bum.
My main influence is sort of Dresden Dolls and Beatles and sort of stuff like that.
Any ambitions for next year then?
Gig loads.
Be as famous as?
I don't know, the Beatles would be a pretty good achievement.
To the dogs.
As big as To the Dogs.
And it's so quiet. The mood swings like a pendulum, and the breath you're exhaling is inhaled by the next one along. But it's all so perfect. But it doesn't hit right back at you. The pins and needles cramp your feet, but it doesn't feel like that gold. 'Cause you ain't that, no you ain't that, no you're not really there at all. You can't quite hear it. And the breath you're exhaling is inhaled by the next one along. But it's all so perfect. Your fingers on the window, rest your head against the wall. Drink the colors of the rainbow, are there any left at all? Don't drink too much, you'll just stumble and fall. Why would it matter? It would only train right through you anyway. pendulum and the breath you're exhaling is inhaled by the next one along, but it's all so perfect. And you can't quite hear it. No, you can't quite see it. No, you can't quite feel it. Thanks very much.